If your car is suddenly idling way too high or surging forward while you are stopped at a red light, your throttle might be sending completely wrong signals to your engine computer. Diagnostic trouble code P0123 points directly to the throttle position sensor circuit having a high input level. Think of this sensor as a volume knob for your engine. It is a potentiometer that tells the powertrain control module exactly how far you have pushed the gas pedal by measuring the angle of the throttle blade. In a healthy system, it sends back a signal near 0.45 volts when the pedal is up and stays under 5 volts even at wide open throttle. When the computer sees a voltage higher than the normal upper limit, usually over 4.65 volts, it triggers this warning. You will definitely feel this while driving because the engine might stumble, hesitate, or maintain a dangerously high idle that feels like the car wants to take off on its own. Most of the time, this happens because the sensor itself has failed internally, the wiring has shorted to another power source, or the sensor is simply not mounted securely to the throttle body. To solve this, your first step should always be checking for any technical service bulletins for your specific make and model, since manufacturers often release updates for known sensor issues. You should use a scan tool to monitor the voltage with the key on and the engine off. If it spikes or stays high while you move the throttle by hand, the sensor is likely toast. Carefully trace each wire from the harness to check for breaks or spots where they might be rubbing against other metal components. If you clear the code and it comes back instantly with these symptoms, you really need to get it looked at by a technician. Working with the throttle system is very sensitive, and if you cannot find a clear break in the wiring, a professional can determine if your powertrain control module itself has been damaged by a high voltage spike.